Good afternoon, everybody. This is Joe Torres again with BTV. We're here with a very nice Scout 800. We'd like to talk to the owner. Tell us about yourself.
Sure. I'm Greg Terrell from Kalamazoo, Michigan, and my wife and I flew to Arizona in 1998, and that was, of course, before the internet is what it is today. So we had a very short list of IH vehicles to look at. Found one that we thought would make it home, and we drove it home, about 2,000 miles home, and didn't have any problems. It was a fun trip, very memorable.
Right, and I assume no air conditioning.
No air conditioning.
How much gas do you think you used?
I don't know.
More than the vehicle was paid for at the time, right?
Yeah, but it was 40 hours of driving. We averaged 50 miles an hour.
50 miles an hour.
Yep, had a couple stops along the way just for fun. And at one point we were going across the north end of Texas, and my wife was tired, so she laid down on the steel floor. And about 2 minutes later, she was back up. She said I was too hot and hard to sleep, so she came back up.
Right. So this vehicle looks like a classic Southwestern type vehicle.
Yeah, I think it spent most of its life in Arizona.
I couldn't necessarily. I'm not going to probe you on body work, but
there's one spot that was done. So this is not original paint, but it was painted back in the 70s or the 80s.
Yep. But basically surface rust patina. Mostly original. Sheet metal shapes.
The sheet metal. I put a roll cage in it, Scout 2 front axle, Hydro Boost brakes.
Dana 44 front axle, I assume, with disc brakes.
Yep, with disc brakes. Yep. Reverse shackle.
Popular conversion.
Yep.
Reverse shackle kit.
Power steering, power brakes.
Yep.
I built the bumper and the reverse shackle.
Yep, so a lot of modernization under the hood and under the body work.
It's got a 266 from a 68 Scout 800, and I bought that actually from Keith Clancy.
Can we see under the hood?
Yep. And at that time it had a 4-speed and an overdrive, so I enjoyed that for quite a while.
Right.
A lot of people wonder what the V8s look like under the hood.
And so this is a 266, and I think eventually I'll put a 304 in it.
So again, tell us, it originally had a...
Originally it was a 232 AMC
so it had
6-cylinder.
6-cylinder.
It did,
yep.
with a 3-speed.
Yep. So you had to do some modification, my guess is to... Did you have to move the engine back to make it fit?
Well, I had to build the motor mounts that attached to the frame, and since I had that 66 that this came from, I had a pattern. And
good.
I own a fab shop, so it was pretty easy to recreate that.
So it's true, you can definitely fit a V8 International engine in a Scout of this vintage that wasn't initially with a V8.
Yeah, because it was a 6-cylinder, so the bulkhead is forward.
The bulkhead was already far forward.
Yeah.
But the earlier Scout 80s, the firewall's not.
You have to cut the firewall to make it fit.
Doesn't have that opening.
Yep. Yeah, this is another nice driver quality. You can just tell it was was not damaged by elements. Just overall, general, nice looking patina. So anyway, thank you very much for sharing with us.
Thank you.
Take care.
Appreciate it.